Hello everyone. Today let us look into this scenario where I have this balance amount. I would like to calculate this calculate percentage, but here I have four different values, but based on this original value I have to calculate the percentages. If it is like Excel, we would do this like I would divide B2 cell with the B3 cell by making the absolute reference, where I could fix the cell and divide it with and calculate the percentages. We shall see how to do it in Power BI. I have selected this table with the same details. What I would do is I would create a new measure. Okay. Here I'll write the measure name as calculate percentages. Calculate percentage equal to. I'll create a variable where I'll write original amount equal to. I would like to calculate sum of accounts amount, close the parenthesis. I'll put a comma. In the filter, I would like to use the filter as account balance equal to original. So since we want to divide it with this 299.2 value, we are filtering the values for original. Okay, here I'll write it in format. Okay, I'll close the parenthesis for this variable. I will I will write the return, and I will return the original amount. Okay, here I have just written a simple calculate measure where I have calculated the total of this amount by filtering the original. Let us select the table and bring this calculate percentage measure. Okay, here we could see that the calculate percentage values, it is reflecting the original amount as required. Okay, now our task is to divide this sum of amount value with calculate percent, this whatever the variable I have created. So let us make another variable after this. I'll shift enter. Okay, I'll write a variable in the seventh line. I'll write var. I'll create the variable name as result. I would like to divide in the numerator. Okay, in the numerator I would write sum of accounts amount. In the denominator I would use this original amount, and I'll close the parenthesis. I would return the result value because it is my final output. Okay, let us see what it would result. Okay, here you could see that our calculate percent is resulting in correct values. What I would do is I'll select the measure, change it to percentages, and here you could see that the percentages are now on. Here you could see that original balance amount is divided by you know by the respective values, and hence we are able to calculate the percentages respectively. I hope it is understandable. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.